Let's make some healthy udon noodles. You can use any noodles you like. यहाँ पे मैंने udon noodles को 2 to 3 minutes hot water में गर्म किया है. I'm cooking my protein of choice as chicken. आप tofu या पनीर भी ले सकते हैं. Then take a bowl, add minced garlic 3 pieces, add 1 spoon of gochujang paste. आप red chili paste भी use कर सकते हो. Then we add 1 spoon of peanut butter, to which we add 2 spoons of dark soya sauce, which adds the saltiness to it. Now we have to add vegetables to it. My vegetable of choice here is green onion. I've chopped it and added it, and you mix it well. Take olive oil, heat it really well. Once you heat the olive oil, pour it to the mixture and mix it well. All you have to do now is cook your protein with your mixture together just for a minute or two, and then we will add all our ingredients to the main ingredient, mix it well, stir it, and this is really so tasty. बहुत अच्छा बनता है ये. आप इसको बहुत healthy way में खा सकते हैं depending on the noodles and protein you use. Stir it, enjoy it, it's amazing.